Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a very easy to make chocolate, make that double chocolate cookie. This recipe offers a rich taste without being overly sweet. Perfect with a hot cup of coffee. Let's get started. To a small bowl, add a granulated sugar substitute equal to 1/4 cup of regular sugar. Add a little ground cinnamon. Mix to combine. Set this aside. To a separate bowl, add some almond flour, a little salt, a brown sugar substitute, and some unsweetened cocoa powder. Give a mix with a whisk to combine and to break up any clumping. For our second layer of chocolate, we'll be using half of this 4-ounce package of Baker's unsweetened chocolate. I find freezing it before chopping makes it easier to chop and you'll have a little less mess of it melting. Add the chocolate to the bowl. We'll add just a little bit of almond extract and some vanilla extract. Now add 2 large egg whites and mix to combine. At first you may think you don't have enough liquid, but as you continue to mix, it'll moisten up nicely. Take a portion of dough and form it into a ball. Roll it into the sweetened cinnamon to coat and place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Repeat until all the dough is sweetened. You should wind up with about 12 cookies. Now gently push to flatten the dough to about 1/4 inch in thickness. Dust the tops with the leftover sweetened cinnamon. Now place in the middle of a preheated 375-degree oven for 15 minutes. Remove and let cool on a baking sheet for 5 minutes. Then remove to a wire rack to continue to cool. I like to eat them when they're still a little bit warm. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my chocolate cookie recipe. Who would have thought chocolate cookies could be this easy and delicious? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.